it's Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we are going to make a marbled pillar candle. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we are going to be making a pillar candle using our Paris Le Fleur fragrance oil. Brand new fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. It is a really beautiful floral, truly gorgeous scent. So I definitely recommend this one. We are going to make a pillar that is just white. So we're going to start with our Pillar of Bliss wax. When you're using the Pillar of Bliss wax, you want to melt it to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. At that point, you'll add any color that you want to add to it. And then you'll drop the temperature to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. At that point, you'll add your fragrance oil, and we use about 1.5 ounces per pound. Finally, at 175 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll go ahead and pour. When you're pouring into a pillar waxes will naturally shrink a little bit. You can get some sink holes in them. So you want to pour into your mold about 3/4 of the way full. You'll let that set up. Once it sets up, you'll poke relief holes. And then you'll go ahead and remelt your wax to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and you'll fill the rest of the mold. And then let it set up, and then you'll be able to pop it out. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and take our Pillar of Bliss over to our double boiler and get it melted. All right, so now our candle is set up, so we're going to go ahead and remove it from the mold. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do, if you've ever seen someone doing a marbled nail or some of the acrylic spin paints, it's kind of the same concept. What we're going to do is we're going to marble this using our nature-friendly candle dyes. The really cool thing about the nature-friendly candle dyes, they have a really low odor. So they're perfect for a project like this. So you aren't going to take away from the scent, whereas some candle dyes can have a stronger odor and you wouldn't want to use them in this particular project. So let me go ahead and grab some toothpicks here. And I have some of our nature-friendly candle dyes. I have the magenta, the pink, and the burgundy. And we're just going to use toothpicks to place a little bit right in our water. And then once we get it placed in the water, we'll go ahead and dip the candle and let it set up for about 5 days. And there you have it. That is how you marble a pillar candle. So we're gonna go ahead and let this set up. Like I said, probably around 5 days. The amount of time that it will take for your colorant to dry is really going to depend on how heavy it is on the candle. Typically ours take around 5 days, and then they'll be ready to use. What you can do is take and kind of touch the candle, see if you have any of the colorant residue on your fingers, and as long as you don't, it's ready to go. So for even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, you like the video. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.